Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to chat GPT on phone. So open your browser, then type chat.openai.com. So that's the official website of ChatGPT. If you have an account in here, just tap login, but if not, create by tapping sign up. And in here, you can continue with Google or continue with Microsoft account. We're gonna use continue with Google, so tap it and choose your account or email address, and that's it. You have now the access to chat on GPT. So that's how to chat GPT on phone. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.